Hi, in this video, we are going to determine the maximum and the minimum values of trigonometric expression in the form of this. So basically when we have like example 13, we want to find the maximum and the minimum value of these. We have to first write it into R form. So when you write it into R form, then we can find the maximum and the minimum value. After that, there is another part of the question saying that we have to find the value of x at which this expression has the extreme value. So after you find the maximum and the minimum value, you need to find the angle x at which the maximum and minimum happens. So I explained the question first. So now what we are going to do is we will start with R form. So recall how we're gonna do R form. 3 sine x minus 4 cos x. So since they didn't give any hint what we're supposed to do, I will write R and sine because the first term here is sine. And now I will write theta, and I would do minus because of this sign here. Minus alpha. So because I have this negative sign here, and then when I expand it, I would get a compound angle as such. So by comparing, I will have 3 equals to r cos alpha as my first equation, and 4 equals to r sine alpha as my second equation. So when 2 divided by 1, I will get r sine alpha over r cos alpha equals to 4 over 3, where tangent alpha is 4 over 3. So my alpha is 53.1 degree. The next one is 1 square, equation 1 square plus with equation of 2 square. So I will get r square cos square alpha plus r square sine square alpha equals to 3 square plus 4 square. So if we simplify this, we are going to get r square equals to 25. So r is equals to 5. Therefore, we have 3 sine x minus 4 cos x is equals to 5 cos 5 sine x minus 53.1 degree. So we're gonna write, let fx to be the question, 3 sine x minus 4 cos x, and then we know that from the R form that we have found, fx is also 5 sine x minus 53.1 degree. So we are trying to find the maximum and the minimum value for this expression. So we will write the maximum value of sine x minus 53.1 degree is 1. So if you put into the fx function, you have just now 5 times with this 1 here, you're going to get 5 as well. And another one that you will get is minimum value of sine x minus 53.1 degree is negative 1. So fx is equals to 5 times with negative 1 is negative 5. Now you compare this 5 and negative 5 and you decide which one is the maximum value and which one is the minimum value. So you can tell from here, therefore, the maximum value of fx is 5 and the minimum value for fx would be negative 5. So actually you are answering the question for the maximum and minimum value only, and you still have another part of the question where you have to find the value of x where this expression has the extreme value. So this part of the question in the yellow color that I highlighted is actually asking you at which angle that this maximum value happen and at which angle that this minimum value happen. So we're gonna do something like this. So what we are going to do next is to write down the maximum value happen when this sine x minus 53.1 degree is equals to 1. So we have to recall from a sine curve, when is it equals to 1? It is when sine 90 degree you will get equals to 1. Therefore, if you can see from here, this angle should equate each other. So x minus 53.1 degree is equals to 90 degree. So maximum happen when x is equals to 143.1 degree. The next one is minimum value when this sine x minus 53.1 degree is equals to negative 1. So recall from the sine graph, it happened when sine 270 degree is negative 1. Therefore, you compare here, this angle should equate each other. So x minus 53.1 degree should be equals to 270 degree, in which we are answering the question, the minimum value happen when x is equals to 323 degree